I swear that's him. Hey, is your name Felix Jr.? Hey, I can't tell if it's him. Did you get the front of his face? Looks like they're making a U-turn. Where'd he go?
I don't know. Yeah, he disappeared. Hi everyone, this is Paul B. Gomez Jr., also known as Paul B. GMZ. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, I'd like to let you know that I like to document my life by doing vlog videos, and also like to share my knowledge by doing reviews and tutorials. And today I'm be vlogging about myself going on a trip to Arizona to visit family. Yeah, I'm already packed up. I'm only taking one backpack. I'm not going to take a luggage because I'll be only there just only a few days. The reason why I'll be leaving just to go to visit a family because one of my uncles is sadly has like a stage 4 cancer. I immediately had to get like plane tickets. Hey, what's up guys? Just thought I'd pause the video to share a little bit of what I know about on how I bought my tickets to Phoenix, Arizona. But if you already have more knowledge than I do, then you can go ahead and skip this part. Now, to get started on what I know, I want to first be real with everyone. Even though I have been traveling a lot in the past, I never once bought myself airline tickets. I always had someone else do it for me. On May 10th, I made an independent decision to go online and buy airline tickets for myself from Meadows Field Airport located in Bakersfield, California. I will admit I was very hesitant and confused about what I was doing, but thankfully my friend Chris Dubois was around to help guide me. He told me about using Expedia. He also shared some useful knowledge about getting cheaper airline tickets through LAX. Because with Bakersfield Airport being a small airline community, buying airline tickets from them would be more expensive. Once I bought the airline tickets online for $220 from LAX, I wasn't aware I would be taking 2 airplanes to get to Phoenix, Arizona, till my friend Chris pointed it out when he checked my departure schedule. It didn't bother me too much at first, till I got a phone call from my Uncle David. You see, my uncle works for the American Airlines in Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, the same airport I'm heading to visit my other uncle who has cancer. He told me over the phone that he would have gotten me a better deal with Bakersfield Airport for $145 by using a buddy pass or standby tickets. Even though that phone call from my uncle hit me with a hard regret on buying airline tickets from LAX, at least I went through a learning experience. But anyways, I apologize for the long pause. Let's get back to the video now. Just a reminder there towards my future self. But anyways, I'm already readied up and packed. I'm only taking one backpack with me, so that way I don't have to pay extra cash. And right now I'm getting a phone call from my friend right now, so I'm gonna be leaving in an hour. So let's go to airport. I just made it to San Jose Airport. It's kind of cool. It's my first time being here in San Jose Airport, so my takeoff will be in an hour later. There's my flight. My board's gonna start 35 minutes later. Just landed here in Phoenix, Arizona. Oh, you are? You're going in circles? I see a lot of cars out there. Oh yeah, so I'm in Terminal 4 North. That's what it looks like. It says Terminal 4 North. Hey! Yeah. There you are.
Jump in, man.
And yeah, I was like,
did you run around to the south side?
No, there's like a, I mean, when you said you were at the south,
yeah.
I'm like, okay, let me see if I can go south.
I like your hat.
Oh, looks so cool. My uncle, Bobby, I call him Theo Bobby. It's been so long since I've seen my uncle.
It's tall, man. Seems like you got taller. How tall are you now?
I'm still 6'1".
Oh, let me hug you, man.
All right. Good to see you. I know it's been a while.
Good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
Did you get your shot?
Yeah, I got 2 Pfizers.
Oh, good. We got the Moderna.
Both of you?
Yeah.
You got the Moderna?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Damn, there's only 48 seconds left. We got here just in time, Paul.
What happened? I thought Booth was coming.
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead. I like how Sylvia doesn't want to get on camera. Hey! Oh man, I forgot your name.
Remember the Bubba?
Yeah, Bubba. I remember you, Bubba. Man, it's been years since I seen you.
What, about 5 years?
Yeah, like 5 years. Hi, Bubba. Hey!
What's going on?
Boof's here. Let me see if I can unlock this. Hey, it's
Good to see you,
good.
Paul. What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Boof brought the grub.
How was the flight?
It wasn't too
You
bad.
look good, man. Nice and young.
I get that a lot. I mean, I made a video about it though.
I think I seen that.
You did?
I did, yeah.
So how you been?
Man. Dad life.
Takes a toll and everything.
Went to go meet the kiddos, the 3rd grade teacher today.
On boy.
Oh, today?
Yeah. And then everybody's going to be in kindergarten this year.
Oh, nice.
I still trip out on the days when we used to play video games when we were little.
I know.
Now full-on parents, man. What have you been up to?
Just same old thing. Just trying to keep up on social media, being a content creator.
You're gonna do a video for Arizona?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm here for. Just doing a video.
Let me know if you want to do something spontaneous. I'll take you on a mountain bike ride.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. I'm gonna put this camera down. I'm gonna have myself some Big Mac since I haven't had nothing to eat on the way over here because I was saving it. My uncle watering his plants. And you water your plants every day?
No, you're not supposed to water them every day.
Oh, it's just like once a week?
Well, it depends on what plant it is. Some plants every other day, some plants, like that big tree, it only gets water every 2 weeks. Or every 10 days, somewhere around there.
Does it have like peas in it? Where are those?
Yeah. It blooms a purple flowers for 2 weeks only in winter.
Oh, they're flowers, okay.
Yeah. See the morning seeds right there? That's what's in those. That's what's in those beans thing there.
Oh, these
Yeah.
tiny orange seeds right there.
Yeah. I haven't watered.
They might be poisonous. It's a nice day today too. Nice day to water the garden.
My winter grass is still here. You believe that? I put fertilizer on it.
At least you keep it green. It looks really good. And that's pretty neat.
All right, let's do it.
All right, out to visit my Uncle Felix, see how he's doing.
I swear that's it.
You think that's little Felix?
It looks like it. Let me see. Hey, is your name Felix Jr.?
He has headphones on.
Hey. Take a picture of him. Can you?
Yeah, I got him on video.
Oh, you do? Good. Okay, I'm going to turn back around. I can't tell if it's him. Did you get the front of his face?
No.
Oh, shit.
I only got the profile shot.
I hope I can make a U-turn over here. Where'd he go?
Vincent, I don't know.
He went in somewhere, huh?
Yeah.
I think he took off. That's weird.
Yeah, he disappeared.
I bet you he knew it was me.
Hey,
Goodness gracious, you look so good.
you look great.
Oh my God, look at you. You look so wonderful.
You look
I
great.
didn't know we had to wear masks.
Oh, I always wear it. It's my.
You wear it for anything?
Yeah, it's like a fashion for me.
There
now.
you go. That's my Paul right there. You look really good. You're nice and thin, and
You look great too. You look really good.
Thank you.
It's good to see you.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't know when's the last time I see you. You have a nice car.
Thank you. I'm just waiting for coffee. Oh, there they are, right there. Oh, Bubba's here too. Gee, the whole party's here.
You got here before us, huh?
Yeah, I've been here. I'm always on time. Believe me.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
It's good to see
Me too. You vlogging?
you. Yeah, vlogging.
I vlog.
Say what's up with the YouTubes.
What's up, YouTube?
You already graduated from high school?
ASU.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you're going to college already?
No, I graduated from college.
Already?
Yeah.
Whoa.
In 2019.
In 2019? Congratulations on graduating college. That's great. What are you going to be doing since after that?
I work now at a college.
At a college? So,
Yeah. I help students with tutoring.
So now she studied in college and now she's working in college.
Yeah. Can't stay away from school, I guess.
It's your favorite place.
Yeah.
I guess if you're in Phoenix, Arizona, ever since I got here, it feels really nice to be back. And must be nice in college as well, too, right?
Yeah. College is nice.
Hey, it's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
You like your...
Good, huh? Oh yeah, I brought a watch Paul make a movie out of us. Oh, did I forget them? Did I forget them? I thought I brought them.
What?
Are you recording?
Only myself right now. This is my loving uncle, Felix. He works as a file tiler, or
Tile contractor.
was it again?
Tile contractor.
Tile contractor. He does a really great job. Oh, there's some dogs. I didn't see them there.
No, ni sabía. Me iba a sentar. ¿Cuántos están?
Son dos.
Oh, dos.
Oh, there's some more
Oh,
underneath.
¿Le gusta la cobija, que no?
So it's just the two of them? There's more.
This is Valerie, the future president of the United States, the smartest baby to ever live, the most cutest and loved, and she's making her, what is this, a blog? A Blee blog?
Vlog.
A vlog.
Yep. How old is she?
She is 10 months.
10 months. Wow. She's not a year yet.
Yay.
And where's the parents?
This is his parents. This is my wonderful, handsome son, strong stud. Brendan Barunda, Jackie, the lovely Jackie. Show him your muscles, Jackie too. She's a stud too. And the mama of this beautiful baby.
Watch out, there's a fan.
The mama of this beautiful baby.
Interview this who?
And this is Grumpy and Grandpa. Trolls and Coco
And that's the grandfather.
Say hi to the world.
And she claps when everyone claps.
Yay. Okay,
Bye, Felix. Take care.
Okay,
Gracias.
Bye, guys.
See you later, Paul.
See you later. You guys have a good night. Hey.
There's Jetson.
What's up, Paul? Hey, good to see you. Hey, sit down.
He's jealous.
Hey,
We're doing everything brand new.
Oh, really?
Everything brand new. New furniture, new shutters, new.
Oh, so you just moved here?
No, we've been here for a couple of years now.
Oh, okay.
We're remodeling the whole house.
Hi. What's your guys' names? Charlie, nice to meet you. I don't know if you know me, but I'm your dad's cousin. Nice to meet you.
This is cousin Paul. He's from California. Everything's dirty right now. I mowed the lawn and cleaned the backyard on the weekend.
Oh, you did?
So today's.
I like your backyard.
So I haven't mowed the lawn and I haven't did anything yet.
Can't do nothing here.
Really funny. You Yeah.
You already put your food inside the fridge?
Yeah, put it in there.
He thinks it's food rich.
He's,
Is he still on a diet?
that's what he's following me with. I haven't been vlogging through the whole day today because I was busy capturing some memories and giving it to my cousin Booth and then his wife.
Hi.
Just want to introduce Brittany, his wife, Booth. So we're gonna say goodbye now until tomorrow. And then just hang out with you guys.
Alright, see you later. Till tomorrow.
Bye.
You guys have a good night.
Seeing you.
Nice seeing you too.
No, too many Fridays.
I'm gonna say bye to you too, guys, too. Bye.
What do you want over here?
All right, just to show this to you, this is what kind of window I really want. I probably want to someday find out how to make blinds like this. This is what I really want. This kind of thing can actually block out the light, and light can never get in. And every 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock a.m. light comes in too early for me. So it would be sweet if I can figure out how to make blinds like this. Maybe I can show this to my dad. This is why I'm probably going to record this. So this is how it works. I think there'll be something making a twist right there. So you just probably need flat boards like this, and then there's like 2 metal rings on there holding it, and have like some type of dent here for this thing to go in. Looks pretty cool. So this is what kind of blinds I would love to have at my own house. So this is why I'm just, I don't know, think about making something like this. I think it might be simple enough. I used to have been a carpenter back then, so I can probably try to figure out how to make blinds like this. So I'm just gonna demonstrate how this works, and so I can get like an idea. So that's how it works. Hi everyone. If you made it all the way through on watching my video, let me be the first to say thank you. And if you want to stick around to watch the next episode, just hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay tuned for part 2. But till then, take care, see you next time, peace.
Well, I gave you all my love and I gave you all my trust and I gave you everything that you need.